How to earn money using Coinbase. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on how to make money using Coinbase. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply go to coinbase.com and you'll get to this platform right here. Now, Coinbase is a world's leading crypto platform that allows you to sell, buy, and trade in crypto. It helps you create your own portfolio for crypto, and it also gives you a wallet that you can use. So it's a really good platform, well known, and it gives you a jump start for your crypto portfolio, and it's easiest place to buy and sell cryptocurrency as well. But do you know that you can actually make money using Coinbase? So that's what I will cover today in this tutorial. Without any further ado, let's jump into it. Once you get to Coinbase, if you do not have an account already, you will have to sign up, and you can get started with your email address. So just click on get started option right here, and then you have to enter your first name, last name, email address, and password. And then you will have to verify your password. Make sure that you're actually 18 years or plus, and then you have to agree to terms and conditions. And then you will have to verify your email address and verify your phone number. Once you do that, then you will get your own profile on Coinbase, and you will be able to avail all of the features and tools. So if we check out the earn option right here on Coinbase, then just simply go to individuals, and then we have this earn option right here, which says learn and earn crypto. So how it works on Coinbase is that we can actually earn crypto, we can earn money by just learning about crypto. So how it works is you can simply go to earn crypto while learning option, and it says start learning. Now let me show you how it works and what are the different options. So you can see right here we have the graph. The graph is a protocol for indexing and querying blockchain data. AMP provides instant settlement. So we have two courses given here, and you can see right here, if you complete this course, you will earn 4 DRT. If you complete this course, you will earn 3 MP. So this is how it works. We complete different courses that are not that long, maybe watching a video, maybe completing a survey, and then you earn money. So this is actually pretty impressive, that how we can very easily make money using Coinbase. A lot of people do not know about this option. If you already have an account on Coinbase and you do not know this, then go ahead and check it out right now. Or if you want to create a brand new account, do it, and then you'll be able to earn through Coinbase. So how does Coinbase earn work? Watch videos. So the first option is watching videos. We've created educational tutorial to teach you about different cryptocurrencies. Now what happens is they'll ask me to watch a video, like these two courses are available right now. So they'll ask me to watch a video, and I will just watch that video for maybe 1 minute, 5 minutes, not more than I think half an hour. I have personally done it, and it was like a 4-minute video. So you just watch the video and then you learn about cryptocurrency. And then in return, there are rewards that we get. So right here, for example, they're giving 4 GRT, and sometimes they give BTC if it's like a big thing. So we can get USDT. Different coins and tokens are earned through this way, and real money to USD. And then the next option is complete a quiz. After each tutorial, you receive a simple quiz testing what you've learned. So now once we have watched the video, we'll have to do a quiz. How we do that? It's a simple quiz. You watch the video. It was like a very short video that you watched. Then obviously you know what they said in the video, and they have a very quick quiz for you, which is not difficult at all. And then you'll receive crypto in Coinbase for every quiz you complete. So this is where we earn, and it's so simple. Watch, complete a quiz, and there you have it. You have your own coins. Start today opportunities to earn crypto, and we can get more and more opportunities and more options. Click on start earning, and if you have your account, it will directly take you to different courses that you can complete, and then you can simply make money. Now this is like the easiest way to make money on Coinbase, and this is Coinbase earn. Few of the other ways we can make money on Coinbase is going to be by lending crypto. So we actually have a borrow option on Coinbase that allows you to borrow cash using Bitcoin as a collateral. Now, sometimes Coinbase actually gives you the money, lends you the money. But if you want to lend money, then we can actually do that on Coinbase. So it's going to be a bit risky, but you can actually lend money to other people and make money out of it because there is a profit to it when you lend money on Coinbase. Similarly, we have NFT right here. Now, we know that we can make money with NFTs, and Coinbase also has its own NFTs now. So, what we can do is we can create our NFT collection on Coinbase with very good rates, and we will be able to make money, of course, selling NFTs. This is a very new option right here available on Coinbase, and it's Coinbase Beta. So you can also directly go to nft.coinbase.com and you can actually sign into NFT marketplace and you will be able to create your NFT collection. There are verified NFT collections available on Coinbase. So you can also mint your NFTs right here and sell your NFTs for thousands of dollars. Let me actually quickly show you one of the NFTs so that you will have a better idea that how people make money on NFT marketplace. So you can see right here now, this is one of the collections and you can see they have these NFT. Now, the NFT art, because Coinbase NFT marketplace is not as famous as, can say, maybe OpenSea and Rarible and even Binance. So the NFT art is not going to be that much, and even the price is not going to be a lot. So right now, this one is 0.068 Ethereum. This one was sold for 0.68 Ethereum, which is quite similar to CryptoPunk, I must say, like the art. And you can see right here, they're called crypto zunks. So you can see right here, this one is being sold for 0.068 Ethereum. And at the time of making this video, Ethereum is $1,000. Like, it's way too low right now. So this one is not even, I think, $100 or maximum $200. So this is like a pretty cheap NFT right here. So we're getting NFTs for very cheap right here on Coinbase, and the art is also pretty good. If we talk about different verified collections, you can see right here they have different NFTs. So these are the different NFTs that are being minted on Coinbase. So you can simply go ahead and check it out right now and make money. Of course, you can flip NFTs right here on Coinbase. That's what we do. You get an NFT and then you can keep it on Coinbase and then flip NFT for higher prices. That works really good when it comes to making money by flipping NFTs, and that's what you can do on Coinbase. And this way you will be able to earn money on Coinbase with Coinbase Earn by lending different crypto, and then we have NFT marketplace. And then of course we have trade option available on Coinbase, and buying and selling crypto obviously makes you money, but I wanted to go with some of the unconventional ways that people don't know about. When we actually buy and sell on Coinbase, there are different rewards available. Even if in the trading we get a lot of profit on Coinbase, so you will be eventually making money on Coinbase and you will be investing. But if you were looking for some unconventional ways to make money, such as by just watching video and completing a quiz, then you can go to Coinbase Earn. And then if you are into NFT marketplace and if you're looking for a platform where you can actually make money with NFTs, then you can go for Coinbase, of course, and you can check it out right now. You have your own wallet, you can create your own account right now. Go ahead and check out coinbase.com and actually check out the different ways you can earn money using Coinbase. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. All of the famous coins and crypto is available on Coinbase. Go ahead and check it out right now. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.